In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Namecheap DNS. Now, configuring your domain DNS settings might sound a bit technical, but with a little guidance, you'll be able to do it in just a few minutes. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and navigate over to the Namecheap website by typing namecheap.com into your address bar. Once you are on the home page, the next step is to log in, use your Namecheap credentials and sign into your account to access your dashboard. This is the command center for managing all your domains and settings. You'll notice your username displayed in the upper left corner of the screen just beside the Contact Us button. Click on your username and a handy drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose Dashboard and you'll be taken to a new page with a comprehensive overview of your products and services. On the left-hand panel, you should see an option labeled Domain List. Clicking on this will display a list of all the domains you currently manage through Namecheap. For easier management, head over to the right corner of the screen and click on All Products from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to filter and manage your domains and other products efficiently. Locate the specific domain you want to configure and click on the Manage button next to it. This brings you to a new screen filled with various settings, but don't worry, we're going to focus on the DNS settings. Scroll down until you find the Name Servers section. Here, you have the option to select your preferred setting from the drop-down menu, whether it's using Namecheap's default name servers or specifying custom ones. Once you've made your choice, don't forget to click on the green check mark to save your changes. At this point, it's helpful to understand what name servers do. Essentially, they act as the backbone of the domain name system, translating domain names into IP addresses, which is crucial for directing web traffic accurately. Keep in mind that if you're registering new name servers, these need corresponding IP addresses to function properly. Once you've successfully changed the name servers, all custom DNS records for your domain are overwritten to align with your hosting provider's settings. If you need to retain any custom settings, you can recreate them later in the cPanel zone, editor, and email routing menu. Also remember that switching from custom to default name servers, or vice versa, does not automatically transfer host records. So, make sure to save any existing settings and reconfigure them manually if needed after completing the switch. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly configure your DNS settings with Namecheap and ensure your domain is set up exactly as you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.